Okay, so guys, good morning. Actually, the video is gonna be a bit longer because I need to explain this calling chart. A lot of people have been asking me. I did a video before previously. I just used the strategy once, and then someone reminded me that, coach, that strategy still work. So I'm going to combine these two strategies, this one for the calling and the court. In that way, I think we're going to get something. Guys, you remember the last draw that Daniel did? We missed 6 numbers in front of us with the code. So today we must try hard. We'll compromise just with the pen and the paper and use our mind and their theory. So yesterday's results, the first smallest number was 7. We're gonna start from here. With 7 there's 14, 21, 28, and this 21 has dropped several times. 28 hasn't dropped, so we're gonna be 14 and 28 on that one from 7. I just want to track their numbers because I see that the 14 hasn't dropped, the 21 also dropped twice. It's still hot and it can even repeat today. So now in that cycle of 7, remember I did teach you about the cycles. 7 came, 21 came, so we left with 28 and 14. From that we're gonna get something. Okay, and then the second number was 15. Where is 15? 15 is just, I'm just gonna do small numbers. With 15 there's 30, there's 5, there's 45. I hope you guys are writing down these numbers so I know. And then this 30 must drop, this 5 must drop, and this 45 must drop. This family of 7, the cycle of 7, I can say, of 15 isn't giving us enough numbers yet. So those are called numbers that we just have to monitor. The reason why I'm showing you this is because I want us, whenever we jump over to the code, we exactly know what we are doing. You don't just attack the code as And then there's a 16. The family of 16 is 8, 4, 32, and the only numbers that have dropped is 32. So 8 and a 4, they haven't dropped from that cycle of 16. Do you see that, guys? It's another way of tracking our bankers. Then let's jump over to number 25. I'll do those ones which are low. You see now, when you go to 25, there's a 30, there's a 19, there's a 5. Let me teach you something about UK49. If you see this number 15, 19, 21, you must know that the next draw that's gonna come will hit a 5 as a banker. So 5 is a powerful banker today. It cannot be now on lunch, but also on tea. So 530 is a nice number because the 30 appears twice and the 5 appears twice as well. So 530 is a nice number. I know why I'm saying that, because I know the cycle of 15, 19, 21. If it drops, it's like 15, 19, 21, 9, 11. So now we must also expect a number like 11. I know why I'm saying this. Okay, but let's stick to 530 as the bankers. Like, let me say 5 is the bank today. 5 is the banker. Okay, so let's go to 29 and then we end it the rest we want to 44, 49, 3. You see this one, this cycle of 29, they only brought the 29, and the 44 I think it came previous days, and this one. So this little number 3 hasn't dropped. It can drop in form of 30 or in form of a whole number as a 3. So I guess we are done there, but be careful. I'll show you something. I'm just gonna give you 3 pairs that you can play when we are done with doing our video. Okay, so let's go to the code now. Okay, these are our codes for today, guys. These are the codes for today. We're gonna start with that one. 1940 is 19, 14. This is the first code that we have. So as you know, we add 1 plus 9 is a 10. There is a 15. So do you see that this 15, there are high chances of a 15 to drop. There are high chances of a 15 to drop. If a 15 won't drop, then they'll split as 1, 5. Or he's going to say times 2, he gets a 30. So still this cycle of 5 is hot, is fire. And then there we have a 19, we have an 11, we have a 9, we have a 49 as well, because I see the 49 there. And then we have a 41, which is a 14. 14 is clear. 14, 19, that can be a nice number. 14, 19, because you cannot say 91. And then when you add up all these numbers, you're gonna get a 15. So why I put the bonus 15? In case this guy multiplies by 2 and get a 30, or he divides it, because this, if we divide this number, is an odd, it will give us a remainder. We don't want a remainder, we just want a straight thing. So yeah, let's move to the next code. Next code is 3654. Okay, so now we start by taking, we're gonna spin this code. 39, we reverse it now, 45. 39, 45, which means what you're going to do, we're going to add the first code at the bottom. It gives us a 9, there it gives us a 9 again, 99. So if you see a number like 99, that is why I'm saying there's a high possibility of a 9 to drop as a whole number. And then when you add 9 plus 9, it gives you an 18. Still, if an 18 doesn't drop, the 36 has to drop, because it's going to say times 2, it gets a 36. If it divides it by 2, it gets a 9. So the cycle is 9, 36, 18. There's no way this 18 they have to bring now. I see they're still skipping this 18, skipping, because they see that, we are chasing them, you see. So they're skipping it just to confuse us. Once we don't play that 18, they'll bring it. Because the 18, look, it brought a 7. 7 dropped instead of 18. If you see a number like 7 dropping, you must know that you are supposed to be an 18 or 36. So 36, let me see, did the 36 drop yesterday? It did not drop. So we have a chance now to attack with the 36, 18 or 9. Be careful with those numbers. I repeat again, be careful of those numbers. Okay, still on the same code, 3654. You see there we have a 36, which is a 39. I did this the other day, then 6 numbers they came, but we didn't play. Then there's a 35. So a 35, according to UK 49 home figures, is an 8. And then there's a 34. 34, which is a 43. 43, and then you reverse again, say 43, 46. 46, so a 46 dropped last night. I'm going to just spin it around like 46, which is 49. And then there's a 45. A 45, according to UK 49 home figures, is a 9, because it is an even number. If you divide by 2, it's going to give you a remainder. And then now there's a 43, which is already there. The 43, the 7, they cannot repeat that 43. So watch this code. And then there's an 18 at the end. It gives us an 18 there. Do you see? I hope you guys are mastering this. Okay, take your time, guys. Take your pen and the paper. Your numbers are there. Your winning numbers are here in this code. And then I'm gonna go again to the other code, 3676. So with this one, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 3 plus 6 is a 9. 7 plus 6 should give me a, let me see, 7 plus 6, how much is that? It's a 13. 13 plus 9 is a 22. So remember what I did yesterday. I used this 22. I multiplied, it gave me a 42 in the 24. So today I'm going to divide, it will give me an 11. Just to be on the safe side. Or it's going to come straight as a whole number, is 22. But should it be, if not an 11, then a 44. That's what they normally do. If not an 11, then a 44 from that 22, because 33 did come, I think, and then 22 came, so it should be 44 or 11. Then now when you go up, as I said, you see the 39, which is the 36, is still there, is popping. Then there's a 37, there's a 36 again. So we are sure that 36 must come, because it's got double 6 there, which is 39 as well. So it is confirmed that 36 is a 36.5 is a good banker today. You can just say 5681, 568 if he's going to split that number, 5683. Okay, and then let's go to the last chord. Then the rest will explain after when we're done. So it's 5, 5, 6, 8. So now 5 plus 5 is a 10. 6 plus 8 should be a 14. Then 10 plus 14 gives us what? A 24. A 24 dropped last night. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to multiply. I'm going to divide this number by 2. It's going to give me a 12. So 12, 21. One of those numbers must repeat. Here, guys, I'm just giving you a clue on how you're going to attack your numbers. Then when we say 5 plus 5 is a 10, plus that gives us a 24. So that's why I had to put these numbers on the bonus sections, just in case. Because those numbers, 15 is cold, 18 is cold, 22 is cold, 24 is hot. It's the one on the pot. So I guess let me see what else. Oh, I forgot, you guys must also do this. You know, Daniel is clever. You see, like, let me say the banker is 36. Daniel will say he's going to go up or down. If it goes up, it's a 46, which already dropped last night, so we cancel. Then it's going to go down minus 10. It gives us a 26. Be careful on that, because if I subtract until to the lowest digit, it's going to give me a 16, which dropped. If I subtract again, it gives me a 6. So do you see, we cancel all these. We focus on 26 and 36. Because this is what these guys do. And then at the end of the day, we'll be crying, I look at the 5 number came and then we didn't play. So there's no way to be crying and say this number did drop, this number did not drop. Rather, either way, we fight. See, let me see. I'm still tracking something there. The numbers. You see, in this series, this guy was clever. I don't know, it was Chris, the one that came on lunch. He hit the whole series of 9. Look what he did. 19, 29, 39. He was left with the 49. So there are high chances of 49 to come. But if the 49 come, it's going to come straight to the 21. Like 21, 49. I'm telling you guys, the 21, 49, 14. If they're going to hit the 49. But I guess they're going to do a spin on these numbers. They bring 36 and 26 maybe. And then this 19 must come back. And the 5. So I'm sure that today we can get that 5 number that we need. Problems will be solved. So the hottest numbers that we have is 19, 22, and then it's 19. This guy can repeat sometimes. 33, you know, it does repeat. And then I forgot the 27, which can maybe be the bonus ball. It doesn't split. That's one thing that I like about Daniel. It does not split numbers, rather you will repeat. So yeah, guys, these are the chords. At the bottom here, this is what I did for you, just to guide you a bit. These numbers, 12, sorry, I did put 26, but 26 is not a repeat. You see these numbers, they're on repeat. 16, 12, 21. You might as well repeat those numbers to distract our algorithm. We also have our algorithm like they do. So these are the bankers at the bottom there that I decided to give you. But go sit down, compare with the chord, and be sure of what you play. Don't just play. Rather not play if you're not sure, because you do not lose. We want a win. So yeah, guys, for more information, if you want to purchase the books, it's 1078 126 0741. But I always leave a link at the bottom of the first comment, so that if you're looking forward to get the book for yourself, you can just do what? You can just text me on WhatsApp, but don't call. So yeah, guys, I guess this is what it is today. And then let me see, 24 come there. How much was that? Because you know this thing, then the 26 came to 29. So the 27 can come, and the 25 maybe can repeat. Guys, these numbers, they'll crack your head until you. So I'm expecting also this 27 to come, and the 26. You know, sometimes they do a consecutive number, 25, 26, 27. Be creative, just run around the numbers. Don't be scared. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you on the next one for Mega Million. Today it's another day. We've got Mega Million. Mega Million, there is a lot of money there. Thank you.